So guys, in this video let's first boot the RealMe C1. Now if you have bought the new device RealMe C1 and you don't know how to set up it for the first time, this video should help you. And also if you are new to my channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that like button, share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So if you have bought the device for the first time, you just got to turn on, and how you have to set up is what I'm going to show you. So here's RealMe powered by Android, very typical display screen of any mobile you take. So let it boot. Now here's the animation from RealMe. Probably they might have used this same white and black here, but then the screen is black, so maybe they have gone with yellow. So the first screen that you are going to see is about the language. So here itself you can actually select the language. Now if you are using any regional languages, I suggest you just select it here itself, because when you select it here, the entire interface will become in that language. So that's the advantage of selecting it for the first time. So you can even do it later as well. So for now, for this demonstration purpose, I'll use English United States. Just tap on the continue, and once you tap on continue, here's where you have to select the Wi-Fi. If you have got internet connection in your home, definitely I would recommend you set up the Wi-Fi right over here. You can just manually add a network if your network is not showing up here, and you can also add the SIM card right now. So if you haven't inserted your SIM card, just use the SIM card ejection tool that they have provided in the box, and just remove the tray and add your SIM card and then plug it in, and automatically it will recognize the network. And let's say that you don't have internet and you want to set it up later, you can do that as well. So for now we will just skip. And here's terms of use. Agree to the terms and conditions, but it is not compulsory. As you are seeing, join user experience project. So if you want to join their user experience project, then only you can enable. Otherwise I would suggest just disable it, doesn't matter. And the only thing you have to enable is this one. So then press on continue. So after pressing the continue, Google services, help apps find location, just disable these things for now. You can enable it later as well. If you want to send your usage and diagnostic data, basically to improve the operating system, you can enable this one. Otherwise you can just disable it as well. Install updates and apps. Alright, then just tap on more and accept. The next step is face and passcode. Lock screen passcode, because this doesn't have a fingerprint sensor, but you can still use your face to unlock the device. Let's set up the face and passcode as well. So please enter the passcode. You can just tap on other encryption method, and here you will find the pattern code if you are used to that. So you can set up your own pattern, or you can enter 4-digit numeric password, or even 4 to 16-digit numeric password, and combination of alpha and numeric. So it is all your personal preference how you want to unlock the device. I would recommend you set a pattern. Now I am just selecting a simple pattern over here for demonstration purpose. You can choose your own pattern. Now is the time to enroll facial info. Let's tap on continue, and here's my face. Okay, that was pretty quick. Turning on raise to turn on screen is recommended to facilitate the use of face recognition. What this does is actually, let's say that you have placed your mobile on the desktop, and just as you pick up your mobile, it will recognize your face and just unlock it for you. So that's kind of a smart thing that it does for you, which is convenient, I would say, because you don't have to press on this button every single time to unlock the device. So it just does it for you. Intelligent selection of Wi-Fi network, you can do that later as well. It just basically searches for the networks that are available in your region and tries to connect. Here's the software update, auto update overnight. Just enable it if you are using internet. And here's the import data. So if you have got old phone and you want to import the data, you can do it right now here itself. Otherwise set as new RealMe phone. So let's choose the second one. Now welcome, start your wonderful ColorOS journey. Of course this comes with a ColorOS. I think 5.1 is the version. Get started. So this was basically it, a very simple setup, and already I can see very large icons because this is a 1520 by 720 pixel display. So here's the first screen that comes when you turn on this device. Let's quickly move to the settings and see what's available in store for us inside this mobile phone, about phone. So device name RealMe C1, cool, 32GB, 3GB RAM. Here you can find that 21.5 GB is available out of the box. And Android security patch level is updated to December 2018. So if you turn on the internet, there will certainly be an update. So make sure you update your phone. Now that's about it. ColorOS version 5.2.1 based on Android 8.1. That's fine, I guess, for the price you're paying. So this is basically the first time how you boot your device. So this was basically it. Let's quickly turn on the camera and see how the camera is. So this is basically the interface of the camera. There is HDR mode, there is bokeh mode, so there is full screen there is beautify effect, filters, 1x 2x. So this is the camera user interface. As you can see, we will be covering more in depth of this one. So make sure you hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. More awesome videos coming soon. Alright guys, this was just a brief video on how you boot your device for the first time. So if this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in another one. Till then, take care everyone. Bye bye.